Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for you. It's Thursday about 3:15 Eastern Time. Market's pretty ruckus today. Cotton actually went up above 77 cents. So anybody with a 77-cent fixation order got filled today. And then we promptly fell out of bed and broke back negative, only to come back up again towards 76.5. But by the close, we sort of lost our gusto and the market settled down around right south of 76 cents, 75.95. Interesting to know that 1 year ago, the market actually made a big low on August the 9th and closed within 10 or 15 points of its opening. Today, we made a big high to close within 10 or 15 points of our opening. So that's a little mysteriousness, I guess, but I don't know what that plays into the market, but we'll see. Exports today, really not all that stupendous, rather confusing actually, given the fact they roll 1 year into the next, but we weren't looking at that. Tomorrow, of course, the big supply-demand numbers, that will certainly have a bearing on the markets, particularly the grains. Corn today actually went up and made all-time highs. We were, kind of weird that we would rally from yesterday's low. We rallied about 30, 40 cents into this report, so that does make us a little bit nervous about that, in the sense that the market will have to come in extra bullish to continue this run. As it has been in the past, a lot of times these reports are buy the rumor, sell the fact. So we need to be careful of that. And if you haven't priced any corn, we would certainly admonish you a little bit, encourage you to do a little bit of some pricing there. Beans today did an about face. We came within a frog's hair of closing out to the downside of a pattern yesterday. Today we almost closed to the upside. So you see the wishy-washiness of the beans, but all in all, the grain market's very nervous, very susceptible either to rally or to break. It just depends on how deep these numbers come in. I would suspect the USDA would not be that aggressive. I think they'll cut the crop eventually. They'll be forced to over this report, and then the September and then the October report. But I don't know if they're going to slash it all in one fell swoop. I don't know if they will do that politically and jar the market, but we'll just certainly have to see. A lot of belief that the crop's going to come in between 11 to 11.5 billion bushels, although there are those who think will come in under 10 billion. That may be an ultimate number. Anyway, energy is higher today, even though the dollar was somewhat higher today. So we're sort of out of sync as far as that's concerned. I'm sure that will get back into sync sometime next week after these numbers indeed come out. Wheat today made a new high. July wheat up around 8.59, 8.60. Very impressive. 1 minute the Russians are going to export wheat, the next minute they're not, so it's certainly a seesaw game there. We'd certainly be thinking about pricing a little wheat up here. It would not hurt just to initiate some of that. So let's see what the numbers are. We'll put them on this broadcast tomorrow. For our subscribers, you'll get a text on that. If you're not subscribing, check out our consulting situation contract on this website, and certainly sign up for that cotton letter. See you tomorrow.